ChatGPT is one of the most popular subjects right now. It has been less than a week since its release, yet people are still discussing it. Minds are blown by what it can achieve, and over 1 million users have signed up in just 5 days, which is faster than Netflix. Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram are no longer Googling the answers to problems ChatGPT and gives breakdowns of them in fine detail with explanations of how it works. This will make people question how relevant Google will be in the future. Do you want to know the limitations of TypeScript? ChatGPT has you covered. But what exactly is ChatGPT and what makes it so powerful? These are things I wanted to find out. It's built by the same people who are behind OpenAI, which are now shaping some really powerful artificial intelligence systems. Another example is DALL-E 2, which was an image generator based on user-entered prompts. Here, you can generate several renderings of a spaceman riding a horse, as well as many more instances that stretch to classical art. ChatGPT is thus a method of prompting an AI to solve or answer a question or prompt in a human-like manner very different from anything we've seen before, and this can sound very scary, especially to organizations like Stack Overflow, which pride themselves on solving problems with human-related answers. They've even gone as far as banning ChatGPT out of their systems because they want to build a level of trust on there, and if people aren't able to trust some of these capabilities are quite powerful, such as remembering what a user said in a conversation and providing follow-up corrections. The first thing I wanted to do was see if it could tell me what Python or TypeScript was. It gave me a pretty accurate answer, stating that TypeScript is a programming language that is a superset of JavaScript. I was developing a little application when I encountered a puzzling problem. I decided to copy and paste the error into ChatGPT to check what it said. Here is some JavaScript in-versus code for a video app upload. This code is quite straightforward when I attempt to execute it in a Node.js. I copied and pasted this directly into ChatGPT, requesting that it fix the following code. Not only did ChatGPT fix my code, but they also gave me the code to copy and paste and explained exactly what was incorrect, why it was incorrect, and how it was fixed. In this instance, I had written my return function incorrectly, essentially making a typo, and here it's gone through and fixed that return, making sure that it's spelled correctly. It's also been a bit cheeky by adding in a comment that it fixed the typo right here on the line where it says return. If I didn't know better, this could have come from a real person, such as a mentor or a supervisor, who could be reviewing your code, and this makes me suspicious. I asked if it could create a shopping list for me based on those meals, and it did so very easily. Additionally, it indented the items and made them readable. I believe that ChatGPT is here to stay. I believe it will be revolutionary. It will become a part of our daily lives similar to how Google has, and it will revolutionize so many industries once they realize its potential.